The two companies that I've chosen to compare is Expedia Group and Booking Holdings, and at the end of the presentation, I will conclude that Booking is a better investment. First off, I will compare the two companies through a relative wealth chart. Both companies have performed well with historical and forecasted CFRI of 20+%, which is above the discount rate for both companies. However, Expedia has very high levels of CFRI in the past, especially from year 2004 to 2009, and also a high level of volatility compared to Booking. This suggests that the level will fade faster to the long-term rate compared to Booking. Through this, we can see that Booking is a safer investment. As both companies have high CFRI, they tend to invest in growing their assets. However, Expedia does this at a much higher rate compared to Booking. This includes 4 acquisitions done by Expedia within the past decade compared to just 2 acquisitions done by Booking. Once again, due to such a high growth, Expedia's asset growth rate will also fade faster. This once again reiterates that Booking is a better and safer investment compared to Expedia. To elaborate more on the fading factor, Booking's market cap is much bigger than Expedia's. This allows Booking to have a greater chance to be categorized under E-cap companies, allowing it to further prolong its fading prospect over time, which essentially gives Booking a competitive advantage over Expedia. If we dive deeper into both companies' operations, sales growth for both firms are at similar levels for the past 2 years. However, margins have been steadily increasing for Booking, whereas the opposite is happening with Expedia. This means that Booking is better at controlling expenses compared to Expedia. Using the scorecard percentile, Booking appears to be a more attractive company to invest in because it has a higher operational quality, which has already been described in details previously. Its valuation also appears to be more attractive compared to Expedia. The only aspect Booking loses to Expedia is from a market sentiment perspective. However, I would strongly argue that market sentiment does not reflect a company's intrinsic value. Lastly, judging from both companies' risk and leverage capabilities, Booking's accounting quality score and average trading rating present Booking as a healthier company compared to Expedia. Through the factors analyzed by HOLT, Booking is concluded to be a better investment compared to Expedia, represented by its higher potential upside.